Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain why do voice messages expire on iPhone 16 or 16 Pro. When you send a voice message through iMessage, it is stored there for 2 minutes after listening to it, and then it's expired and removed, so it doesn't waste space on your device. But if that voice message is important to you, you can click on keep, so it won't expire. And now, even after these 2 minutes or any amount of time, it will still be here and I can still play it.
Hi, how are you doing?
And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.